Hey Majesties, Kago here. And today I'm going to be sharing with you tips, tricks, and natural hair hacks. So guys, you want to start off your hairstyle on freshly washed hair, but I was too lazy to wash my hair, so I have a mixture of water and an oil. It's coconut oil, 100% coconut oil, and jojoba oil or grapeseed oil if you want to, but it's just really an oil of your choice. But it's ideal to use a light oil, not like your castor oil because it's very thick. Castor oil, you can use it to base, but I have this water just to soften my hair before I start. The same even if it's not straight, guys, it doesn't have to be super perfect. And some gel, so you can use a gel of your choice, guys. It's really not, I used the Soft and Free Styling gel and I'm out. I need to get some more, so it's the green one because I find that it doesn't leave a lot of residue, but now I'm out. So I had this Eco Styler one, so you just want to put that gel on your hair. I usually just put it on the way I parted my lines and in the front,
just to leave it slick.
Twist my hair up. Just twist it up. Your recycled ponytail. You see, I took that and I'm putting it on the front. So I'm securing it with a ribbon. And I'll take half of that piece and join it with the other piece of the ponytail. So I'll take my natural hair and the ponytail and I just twist it up. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. So you take the other one, the other end, and you twist it up. So right now you're left with this weird looking thing. This. So what you do is you, on your, at the back of your last ponytail, you take this and you part it, and then you just tuck that inside and you secure it with pins. Guys, pins are like a natural girl's best friend. Pins are like the best thing ever. So I'm just going to take the large ones, your regular ones, and then I'm just quickly going to secure it at the back so it does not move. So the trick here is to hide it. You see, is to try to hide it at the back. And take another one. You can do it in the middle. Open it. You open it, and then you grip some of your hair. So you can take these two ears and tuck them at the back, bring them in front again, just so this thing doesn't fall. Grab this hair like this, and put a rubber band here to secure it, of which I don't have. It doesn't really matter. So make sure that you have enough hair left. So you can only secure this bit because this part is going to cover this. So you can secure it like so. You can take that, twist it up, go underneath, as you go along. Just try to form it in the shape that you would like. Take this end, tuck it underneath, take this end, tuck it underneath as well, and secure it. So this is not the final shape, guys. Don't be alarmed. I'll just keep reshaping it. I'll link a description for how I actually made this ponytail below, so just check that out. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. It was lovely seeing you guys and meeting new subbies. So I'll see you next time.